In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make Character.AI characters super easily. First, you're going to be heading over to the site Character.AI, and once you are there, you can see, let me just actually go back and load the site again so you can see in more detail. Creating characters is actually pretty easy. Simply click onto this create option on the top right side of your screen. If you're onto your dashboard, it is going to be looking something like this. Let me just show you. It is actually loading. Okay, so we got that here. Click on this create option. Now you can choose different options, so hold on a bit until it loads and click on a character. If you can also create a voice. So yeah, now hold on a bit until it loads up into different fields. First, we're going to be selecting an image. You can generate an image as well. Let's just type in here something. A young lady. Click on create and hold on a bit until it loads the images. Okay, we got some images here. We can use this. For the character name, we can name it Lisa. This it looks like Mona Lisa, to be honest. Okay, in tagline, you can add a young, pretty, decent lady who loves to chat. You can add a description, and this could be your description, just like that. Once you add that, you can add your greetings. Hey, how are you doing? And you can also allow dynamic greetings, which is going to be based on different type of voices. You can add that as well. And finally, you can add your tags. It's going to be, let's just say, maybe shy, romance, and yeah. Finally, you can choose your visibility. It is going to be public or what, and click on create a character. So once you click on this create character option, it is going to be uploaded onto the system, and you will be able to chat with Lisa now. So hey, how are you doing? It is asking. I am doing good. How about you? Sorry about the typos, by the way. So yeah, that's how you can easily create characters in Character AI.